Hey, welcome to the channel Creative Writing Prose. I'm Robin. This video will be about getting out of plot holes. This usually means you didn't plan enough. Or if you don't enjoy planning, then I see why you're where you are. So, okay, how do you get out of a plot hole? You need to then usually backtrack to the planning stage, or backtrack at least in the story that you're writing and change parts so it makes sense. This can be frustrating and time consuming. You can either do this as you write, you can take a break from writing and do the editing, which I actually don't recommend because then you get hung up on editing too much. You might get hung up on editing too much, or you can continue writing and figure it out in the first edit. Never ever show your work to people who you want to critique it before you've done a first edit, at least, if not a second edit. The first draft is a first draft. It's supposed to be rough. It's supposed to be either overwritten, underwritten, or have parts being by one or the other. So on and so forth.
Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, select all, and become a member of the Creative Writing Squad. I bring out my Writerly videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Also, please check out and subscribe to my other channel, Robin K. Holmes, where I vlog learning to write with my left hand daily. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to see what else I'm doing. And if you really love me, follow me on Patreon. See links below.